What's up, YouTube? It's me, Kenneth of What's New Barbecue. Listen up, guys. We're breaking out old copper today. The Weber Kettle on the back porch. I got some awesome looking New York strip steaks from Six Brothers Beef Company. Shout out to them for providing that for this video. Their information will be down below in the description box. We're going to reverse sear these bad boys. Let me tell you right now, guys, this steak, these New York strips were so juicy, so tender, y'all are going to want to stick around. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell right next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. If you've been here since the beginning, I truly appreciate y'all's support, guys. But without holding y'all up too long, let's get to these steaks. Alright guys, and here we have our USDA Prime New York Strip steaks. They have some great marbling in them. Look at that. Awesome marbling going throughout the meat there. And what we're going to do today with these New York strips is we're going to reverse sear them. And I'm going to throw some corn on the cob on the Weber alongside of it and some stuffed mushrooms and just have a nice steak dinner. But we're going to hit it with some stuff that I've been wanting to use for quite some time now, which is called Campfire Steak Seasoning. And that's from SuckleBusters. SuckleBusters information will be down below in the description box. But we're going to go ahead and get this bad boy seasoned up just like that. Put some good amount of rub on here so we can really taste those flavors. Looking forward to trying these New York strip steaks out. They're looking great. So that's what we're going to look like on one side. I'm going to let that set for about 5 minutes or so. Give it a flip and then we'll season the other side. And in the meantime, I'm going to get the Weber Kettle fired up. Alright, and we just got the New York strips onto the Weber Kettle. They're looking great. That seasoning's got some awesome color and texture in it. We went ahead and put our stuffed mushrooms on about 5 minutes ago. And that's mixed with 4 cheeses and garlic. And then we've got some corn right there that we're smoking as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get this bad boy shut down. We're going to get to cooking. I'm going to check on these in about 5 or 8 minutes or so and see what temperature we're looking like and see what we need to do from there. Y'all stick around. This is going to be good. Alright guys, it's been about 10 minutes later and I just flipped these steaks over. They're reading right under 90 degrees internal. I'm going to go ahead and shut this lid down and keep on cooking for about 5 or 10 minutes. The corn's looking good, got a nice color on it. The mushrooms are looking good. That cheese is breaking down well. Just want to cook the internal temperature of these steaks just for a little bit longer, and then we're going to sear them up. So I'm going to close the lid down, check on them in about 8 minutes, and give them a sear. I'll catch back up with y'all here in a little bit. That's what we're looking like, guys. Our steaks have rested for about 10 minutes now. Look at that cheese perfectly melted on our mushrooms. We got a nice char on our corn here. There's nothing left to do but to cut into these steaks and see what they're looking like. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the corn and the mushrooms from the cutting board, and we'll cut into one of these New York strips and give it a taste. Alright guys, I'm excited to give this New York strip a try. Let's go ahead and cut into it and see what it's looking like. It smells awesome, that SuckleBusters seasoning. See what we're looking like right down the middle here. Extra tender. Let's see how we're looking. Awesome. Let me focus that in for y'all. Man, that's looking awesome. Still extra juicy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut some slices here. extra tender. We nailed it, guys, on the cook. I'm looking forward to giving this a taste. I'm going to cut a little bit more up, and then we'll try it out and see what we're working with. Man, look at that juice. Look at that. Alright guys, this is looking awesome. Smelling great in the kitchen tonight. Perfect cook on that steak. The mushrooms looking great. Got the shaved corn off the cob right there, off the Weber. Smells like smoke. Let's give it a taste. We'll give a piece of the steak by itself first and foremost. Awesome cook. Cheers, y'all. Wow. Now, I went ahead and pre-cut me a couple of slices here because, to be honest with you, I already gave it a taste. And that seasoning is great on this steak, but on top of that, this steak is extra tender. You can really tell it's a USDA Prime steak. Really good. That seasoning just amplifies it. Let's try this corn out. Just a nice sweet flavor from the corn. Got a nice smokiness flavor. We used hickory tonight. Got a nice hickory smoke flavor on that corn. I'm going to take another bite of that too, guys. And last but not least, y'all know I've been on a stuffed mushroom kick. Let's give this 4-cheese garlic stuffed mushroom a try. That was like butter. When you get that perfect temperature, excuse me, when you get that perfect temperature on a stuffed mushroom with cheese, that cheese just dissolves in your mouth, guys. That mushroom just softens up just right. Gotta give me another taste of this steak. Dang. Alright guys, that's all I got for tonight. I appreciate y'all for being here. If this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscription button and that bell right next to it so you can keep track of this barbecue journey. Shout out to Six Brothers Beef Company for supplying this New York strip steak for this video. Their information will be down below in the description box, guys. Until next time, y'all keep on barbecuing.